Hey there, nature enthusiasts and gardeners. Welcome to Dandelion, Friend or Foe. Stay tuned for an exciting survey. We're looking at the fascinating world of dandelions today. They're those yellow flowers you've seen everywhere, but probably haven't thought much about. Are they just pesky weeds, or is there more to these sunny plants? Let's find out. What are the pros of these pretty plants? Did you know dandelions are edible? They're packed with vitamins and minerals, from roots to leaves to flowers. Make your own dandelion tea. Gather some fresh dandelion flowers, water, and optional honey, lemon, or mint for flavor. Ensure your dandelions are from a pesticide-free area. Wash the flowers thoroughly. Boil water. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh dandelions per cup of water, adjust to taste. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain out the dandelions. Add honey, lemon, or mint if desired. Serve hot or cold. Yum. Dandelions have been used historically for various health benefits. The leaves and roots contain bitter compound. They stimulate digestion and increase appetite, making them great natural digestive aids. These humble plants are also powerful liver detoxifiers. They promote liver function and protect it from oxidative stress. Dandelions act as natural diuretics, reducing fluid retention. Enjoy dandelion benefits through teas, supplements, or even salads. Always consult a healthcare professional before using dandelions medicinally, especially if you're on medication or have allergies. As spring unfolds, food sources for bees and other pollinators can be scarce. That's where dandelions come in as unsung heroes. They're early bloomers, providing nectar and pollen when few other flowers are available. This makes them a vital food source for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. In the early days of spring, our bees rely heavily on dandelions. They're a fantastic natural resource, providing the aid to kickstart the year's activities. And it's not just about the food. Dandelions also play a role in pollinator diversity. Their simple flower structure allows pollinators to access their nectar and pollen, regardless of their size or shape. Dandelions have deep taproots, sometimes up to 10 inches long. They can break up compacted soil and cycle nutrients. Dandelions multiply rapidly without any need for care. But it's not all sunshine in dandelions. Here are the cons. Dandelions can spread rapidly, overtaking other plants in your garden. Each dandelion head can produce up to 200 seeds. The wind easily carries these seeds, quickly spreading the plant over large areas. These plants thrive in many environments, from lawns and gardens to cracks in the sidewalk. Their adaptability can be a disadvantage. Dandelions can be an eyesore if you prefer a uniform green lawn. These flowers trigger allergic reactions in some people. Their pollen and sap can cause rashes or a runny, itchy nose. Their deep taproots make them difficult to eradicate completely. The yellow flowers will return if you don't get the whole root system. Dandelions can outcompete other plants for water, sunlight, and nutrients, which can be a problem. So, what can you do? Have you ever considered dedicating a space in your yard just for dandelions and other pollinator-friendly plants? It's like creating a mini haven for bees and butterflies, and you get to enjoy the vibrant view. Whether you see dandelions as a nuisance or nature's gift, they undeniably play a role in our ecosystem. Now, I want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me, do you let dandelions grow in your yard? Or do you prefer to mow, kill, or pull them? Is it grow or no? I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please check the like button, share, and subscribe for more nature insights in and around the Smoky Mountains. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you.